I found you a toy.
It's just what I need.
That's a Mercury.
I like that.
Well, it's okay to have dreams.
You can drive that to work.
Drive that to work?
Yeah.
I can't park in the parking lot now. That wouldn't even fit in the parking lot.
Your tires are slick too.
Yeah, well, I've got some on order.
Yeah.
What do you see?
See nothing.
Did you even look?
Yeah.
Did you open your eyes? There's toys behind you.
Yeah.
You're old. Did you play with toys look like that?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
I played with toys back in the 50s.
Uh-huh.
How'd you get up there?
I took the steps. Got 31 on the seats. I guess that's a 31 model, isn't it?
Makes sense.
I'd say so.
All right, where are we at now?
We're at the site of the Wonderland Hotel.
I've heard of it.
Okay, it says it once stood at the top of this road, was the social center of the Wonderland Club, originally built in 1912 to attract tourists. By 1919, it became a private members-only club. I'm assuming that's the race car?
Race car.
That's what I thought. Did you hear him start it up a little bit ago?
Action Antiquities. Is that what it is?
I call it
Antiques? It says Antiquities. You filming me while I'm filming you?